Ustad, what is the first step to take for one who wants to memorize the Quran and seek knowledge in general? The first step is to come with sincerity, al-ikhlas. The second characteristic is ad-du'a wa tadarru' ila Allah. Humble yourself to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number 3, stay away from sins. And sins are things that work against you. It works against you. Shafi'i, what did he say? He said, 𝗪𝗂𝗂𝗍 بسوء حفظي فأرشدني إلى ترك المعاصي وقال إن العلم نور ونور الله لا يهدى لعاصٍ. Sins, they affect you. They make you forget things. نعم. So stay away from sins. Stay away from it. Also, if you want to memorize the Quran, you must have a teacher. You must have a teacher. You can't memorize the Quran by yourself. If Nabiullah Muhammad was taught the Quran by Jibreel, then anybody else would need to be taught by a teacher. And Nabiullah Muhammad taught his companions. Na'am, he taught his companions. So we should also do the same. Also, seeking Islamic knowledge, you need a teacher to teach you if you want to take Islamic knowledge serious. And if you want to know this issue even more, there's a lecture I did online which is called Practical Steps of How to Gain Islamic Knowledge.